If you forced me to build my entire investing strategy for 2026 using only two ETFs, I'd actually do it. And in this video, I'll show you exactly which two types of ETFs I'd pick, why they work together, and how you can copy the logic for your own portfolio. The crazy part? With just two ETFs, you can own thousands of companies around the world, keep your costs low, and spend almost no time managing it. Stay until the end because I'll also show you how much you could potentially have after 10, 20 years with a simple monthly savings plan using these two ETFs. Before we talk about the only two ETFs, let's very quickly answer what is an ETF? An ETF is an exchange traded fund, basically a basket of many different stocks or bonds that you can buy like a single stock on the exchange. Instead of buying 50 separate companies one by one, you buy one ETF and you automatically own tiny pieces of all the companies inside that basket. Most beginner-friendly ETFs simply track an index like the MSCI World or the S&P 500. That means if the index goes up, your ETF follows it. Why do I love ETFs? They are diversified, usually cheap with low fees, and simple. You don't need to pick individual stocks. Now let's talk about the idea behind only two ETFs. Professional portfolios often follow a version of this simple structure. A broad global stock ETF as the core, and either a bond ETF or a more focused satellite ETF as a second building block. The goal is, with ETF number one, you get global stock market growth, and with ETF number two, you add stability or extra upside. ETF number one is your global stock market ETF. This is your main growth engine. Think MSCI World or FTSE All World. Look for very broad diversification, low fees, ideally around 0.2% or less, and good liquidity. With just one global ETF like that, many beginners already hold a complete world portfolio in one position. Now comes ETF number two. You have two main directions: more stability with bonds or more upside with a satellite equity ETF. If you want stability, choose a global bond ETF. If you want growth, look at emerging markets or small caps. A common setup is 80% in a global equity ETF and 20% in your second position. This simple plan can build massive wealth over decades.